Hello everyone. You're watching Kavu Creative. Ready to level up your design skills? Today, I'll show you how to make this stunning abstract clover. We'll build this using just basic squares. It's a clean and modern look, don't you think? The process is super easy to follow. So, let's open Adobe Illustrator and get started. To keep things aligned, let's mark the middle of our workspace. Go ahead and double-click the Artboard tool. Simply enable the Show Center Mark option. Press OK, and there it is. First, let's clear the fill color. Work with just the stroke to keep it visible. Select the rectangular grid tool from the toolbar. Hold Alt and click right in the center. Let's go with 300 by 300 for the size. We'll need 5 dividers each way to get the right pattern. Press OK, and there is our grid. Let's pick the pen tool for the next step. It's time to trace our clover shape along the grid. Click on the crossing points to keep your lines straight and even. To close or end your path, just hold Ctrl and click outside of Design. Select it all. Select the Shape Builder. Swap the stroke to fill. Swipe across to build the piece. Right-click and ungroup. Select all of it. Hold Shift to deselect the main shape. Press Delete. Let's select our shape for the final rotation. Pick the Rotate tool, using the shortcut R. Hold Alt, and click precisely in the center. Enter 90 degrees, and press Copy. To complete our clover design, simply press Ctrl-D twice, and there it is. Hit I for the eyedropper. Let's add those vibrant colors. Check out this time-saving hack. Just hold the Ctrl key. Click a shape, pick a color, and move on. It's the fastest way to paint. We need to expand the strokes. Select everything. Go to the Object menu, and hit Expand. Just click OK. Then, hit Divide, in the Pathfinder window. Pick the magic wand. Select those outlines. And press Delete. And there we go. Our abstract clover is complete and looks stunning. It's proof that great things start with simple shapes. Don't forget to save your project. Drop a comment with your thoughts below. Did you enjoy this 3D clover design? Subscribe to Kavu Creative for more secrets. Keep designing.